What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video, and we do got Bosco in the building.
What's good?
Well, technically we're not in the building, whatever. But he's here. We're gonna get his input. Our schedule finally worked out where we can go out together at the Citadel. Let's see what's up here. All right, so make sure you guys check out Bosco's channel. I'll put the link in the description. He's at like 22K, 23K now? 23K. You just got to 23 a couple days ago. So yeah, so check out his channel. And then yeah, let's go see what's up. They got, it says 50% off select items, up to 50% off. Okay. All right, we are a little bit late today. They opened what, 50 minutes ago. That's the line already. Then they got some history. That's actually pretty freaking dope. Shows their first store when they were with ASICs way back when, and then how they've grown. That's fire. That's fire. All right, I do see a sign that says 30% off the back wall. Then of course we do have to skim through the regular section because apparently I missed out that last time. I'm mad as hell about that still. I don't really see anything. I don't really see anything crazy. All right, let's go check out the clearance section right here. My favorite section. I don't even know what section I'm in. It is crowded as F here, super crowded. LeBron's, got some LeBron 5s right here. Got some LeBron 5 witnesses here, size 8. Got some dunks. I'm walking around because fools are still finding retros and stuff like that. Dude got some dunk 85s right here. Going for $150. Do get that 30 off. This is size 6 though, because some people are still finding dunks. He found the reflective 6s right there. That's a pretty solid find. It is retail. It's a size 10.5 retail, plus 30 off. All right, still finding them. Dang it, I missed out. Kind of just floating around here and there. These are size 7.5, $170. To get these for 30% off, that's what's up. That's what's up. This is a size 7.5, not bad. My man did put this back right here. Let's take a look at it real quick. These are the reflective 6s. Came out, I want to say 2020, I want to say. The whole thing is reflective. But look at the creasing, man. Look, you can already see the creasing. I was telling my man who put it back, I was like, yeah, if you don't want creases, this is not the shoe, dude. This is not the shoe. But you do get these for $225. It does have Nike Air in the back. Oh shoot. Do get this for $225. But you do get that 30 off. Not bad, just not for me. Not bad. Maybe that might be the thumbnail. Oh wait. Oh yeah, that's gonna be the thumbnail. 30% off right there. All right, now we're starting with the size 10. Then we're gonna move up and down. Do got these right here, the Air Max 2017s. These are going for what, 165? These are clean. These are clean. I know Ballin' on a Budget hates these Air Max 2017s. I freaking love them. I just love that full Air Max unit. Man, 165, a little pricey though. I think I picked mine all black ones for what, 110 or something. And I picked up my royal blue ones for like 60. But that was a while back though. Still in the size 10, got these. Look at this. Air Max 90s. Get them for 30% off. Can't go wrong with that. Especially the way the sneaker game is right now. What size are these? Excuse me, sorry. 12.5 for these. 170. 170, and then you get a discount. That is hella cheap for 12.5 too. Not bad at all. This isn't the size 10 section, but it's like that here. It's a mess. Crazy packed here. All these fools getting in the way. That's the homie right there. That's why I said that. And then we got Bosco right there doing his thing. Dude got these bad boys right here. The LeBron 18 low. This is the Toon Squad one. The Toon Squad version right here from Space Jam, size 10. This is down to what, 110. You do get 30% off, so it's at 70 some dollars. Then I think the last thing in the size 10.5 right here, $165 for these. Oh, hella bright. Size 11. This is an 11.5, but we're in the 11 section. $100 for these. Do get a little discount. Not bad. I was like, some Go Fly-E's to get these for 30% off, but it's a size 7. If I could find a size 12 of these, I would get one for a family member. Those of you guys that haven't seen my videos, open it like that, get your feet out super easy. As soon as you put your feet in, or your one foot in, right, it does close up. Okay, pretty dope technology. You know, really meant for the disabled and stuff like that, but could just be for elderly people too. That's what I was trying to get one for. But yeah, these ain't bad. $120, I believe. And you get that 30 off today. It's only a size 7 though. Tempo Next Percent flying it $110. You do get 30 off. That is hella cheap. That's cheaper than the clearance store. That's pretty dope. Up to the size 12 Superfly Elites. Man, these are the premier cleats. $275 down to $170 to get that 30 off. If you play soccer and you need a ball out, there you go. Plenty of these go for $165. Oh, this is size 10.5. Why is this in the? Oh, it's 11.5 right here. More Tempo Next Percent flying this. This is size 10.5 though. The nursing shoes down to $20. Then you get that 30% off. Holy crap! Really? Wow. Size 13. I do get to show you guys the extended size pricing. What they do with the huge sizes. Usually 13 and over, they discount the hell out of it so they can get rid of it, because sometimes 13 and over sit. But yeah, $110. Do get a discount as well, not bad. Pegasus 37 size 15 go for $90. Also got that in size 14 as well. Size 13 do got the free run trails going for $75. All a lot of suede on it, not bad. Not digging that colorway. LeBron size 13 do get that $170. You do get that 30% off. That's not bad. Size 8, look at how cheap that is. $60. You get 30% off. That's hella cheap. Holy crap. Some golf, the ACGs, that's a size 9.5 go for retail. Dang, like not much for the big feet gang today. Greater Impacts go for $80, size 15. And then the nurse shoes right there, the Zoom Impulse go for $20. That's pretty much about it for the huge sizes. Oh wait, I almost ignored this. I don't want to touch this because it's box. But look at this. It's Invincible Run Flyknits. Damn, $110. That's the cheapest we've ever seen this shoe. But it's also because it's extended size. They did the extended size pricing on it. But still, that's hella cheap. $80. That's definitely the cheapest. That's cheaper than the clearance store right there. Let's see if the box stays. Oh, your boy got it. We're good. And the smaller sizes now. Soldier 14s go for $80. So you got these. Why not? Oh, these are the, I thought they were the why not 0.5s. The one take 3s. So this is the budget line of the Westbrooks. $100. That's retail, man. Air Max 90s right here go for retail. What the hell? Down to the 7.5s. I don't know what happened to all the 8s and stuff like that. Dude got the Air Max 2017s. We've seen a bundle of these at the outlets. $165. Do get 30 off. See, like when I mean bundle, seen a bunch of them. Damn, what the hell happened to the size 8s and stuff? I don't see any size 8s. Size 13s right here going for $45. Damn, cheap as hell. You get 30% off on top of that. That's like the price that I got mine for. I think mine was a little bit more. I think I paid like 30 something for mine. All right, man, this place is a zoo. All right, let's check out the aisles, see what's going on in the aisles. We saw one of these in the clearance section, $100, but the ones in the clearance section, you did get that 30% off. PG5's not too bad. This colorway is not bad. I'm not gonna lie, colorway's not bad. You know, he's kind of falling off, but you know, those ain't bad. Flytrap 4s, Witness 5s, another one of these. Got a bundle of those. Another one, Soldier 14s. The Zions, Team Bank colorway. Okay, these don't look bad. These don't look bad at all. Not a fan of the red ones, especially at full price. Killshot 2 leathers with that nice leather. It's in the name, so you would think they'd use nice leather. Okay. Venture Runners with that old school look. That nylon and suede combo right there. Air Max 90s. Do got some Flight 89s for you fools like the old school. Ooh, man, I like that leather. Tumble leather, looking good. Okay. React 270s, Air Max 2017s, Air Max 90s. They had some Air Max 90s here. I saw one of the people carrying it. It was one of these, but it was made out of all Crater. Apparently they got some resale, so they scooped those up. Monarchs. Yeah, we got one of those again. Pegasus 37 Shields. What? That's definitely the cheapest we've seen these. What the hell? Damn, we are starting to see some sales, you guys. This is pretty dope. I'm pretty happy about this. Metcon 7s right here. Another one of these, and they actually use React now, and they have like a different stabilizer thing on the back right here on the heel. So always technology evolving. That's pretty dope. Vomero 16s. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen these. Do get full length. Dang, this you get Zoom X and you get Zoom Air. Damn, the upper's a little cheap. The upper's kind of similar to like the Pegasus 38 material. You do get way more cushioning in the back though, that compared to the Pegasus. You get way more cushioning back here. Damn, that's hella cheap. $80. You get 30% off. Damn, that's what's up. That's up. The outsole looks almost exactly the same as the Pegasus. Okay. Sizing definitely weird. You don't see it with this usually, but they only have 10, 10.5s, 11s. That's weird. Oh, okay, they got up to 12s, but 10 to 12, that's it. That's weird. Terra Kigers for all you hiking and trail running people. Pegasus Trail 3s. Kind of the same thing, but different. A Wild Horse, the budget version of the trail runners. The Quest 3s, the extra budgets. Okay. Extra budget running shoe. Pegasus 37s, 37 shields. Another one of those. Yeah, dang, they got quite a few. And then the Invincible Run Flyknits, got a couple of those. More running shoes on this side. You got the Infinity Run Flyknits. Another one of those. These are the second version. The React Milers. This is the extra budget upper one. Then the 38s, Pegasus 38s. Another one of those. Got quite a few. And then the 37s right here. The biggest difference between 37 and 38s, the upper, significantly different, but the midsole, everything else, pretty much the same. Those of you guys that have been watching my secret channel, y'all know about these. These are the sneaker bags, the carrying cases for the bags. I have a couple of Jordan ones at home. They got the Nike ones here for 25 bucks. I think these normally retail for what, 30 or 35, I believe. But they got the OG Nike one. They got the Jordan 1 box one right here. The handles and stuff look different. I have the Jordan 3, Jordan 4, and then the Jordan generic box at home. I got those three. I kind of do want this one right here, the Jordan 1 box. Okay. When I was talking about how usually there's a crazy line and it's empty, look at the line now. Look at the line. This line is nuts. That's kind of how it usually is, especially since it is a holiday weekend now. Look at this line, dude. That's, man. All right, they got some pretty decent apparel deals. Look at this, 40% off. You usually don't see that. Like, god damn, that's a lot of purple. Holy crap. 15 bucks though, and 40% off. Y'all want some bucket shirts right here comes with some extra sticky stuff. I think that's from the sticker, so that'll come right off. Yeah, these go for $15. You did get 40% off. This is an extra large right here, so not bad. Nike sweatshirts, $40, 40 off. This is a XL. Damn, they got all kinds of deals right now. The Vince Carter Ray Gun shirt, or did I say shirt? Ray Gun jersey, size large, going for $30. You get 40 off. What the hell? Jordan sweatshirt down to $30, normally $75. These are XLs. You get that 40 off on top of that. This is insane. Holy crap. Dude, some of the apparel deals are kind of nuts, dude. Holy crap, 40% off all this crap right here? I said all this crap, like, but you get 40% off all the apparel. That's insane. Okay, not everything's like crazy price, because this is the USA, the Olympic jacket right here. This is the Tech Fleece, really good stuff. Size medium. Dang, 300 down to 130. That's not bad, dude, especially with that 30 off on top of that. Okay. Found this penny shirt. I know Bosco actually might like this. Normally $40 down to $15. You get that extra discount. I somehow had a feeling that he would be all over that penny shirt, so I did get that to him. It comes out to under $10. That, man. There was like nobody here like 10 seconds ago, and all of a sudden, what the hell? Man, all right, let's still look, man. There's too much good stuff here. The golf shirts, we saw this a while back. $80 down to $55. This is a medium. You can see how holy it is. You can actually see the holes. But yeah, it does 40% off, man. XL Jordan shirt right here, normally $40 down to $30. Man, these discounts not bad. Bosco getting in line. That freaking amusement park line over there. Let's go see if they got that little clearance section still upstairs for the men's clothing. Damn, they got a register here and look at the line up here. Wow, wow. And they still do have that clearance section upstairs. Okay, let's go look up there. Mini backpacks, we've seen these here. And then they got other bags too. They got other bags, look, the little JDI bags. Okay, oh, this insulated, so it's a food bag. This one's for food. Dang, do you carry that much food and sneakers are that big? What? Yeah, we need bigger food bags than this. This is crazy. Ooh, got some salute to service. Salute to service Rams. Oh man, these are still $100, so 100 down to 100. Nike running shirts 50 down to 50, 49.97. At least you get the 40 off, but seems like the really good discount stuff downstairs. Yeah, it's like they left all this stuff at regular price. $1.20 down to 85. You do get 40 off, but still not the steep discounts that we did see downstairs. LeBron jacket, $250 down to $249.97. Okay, all right. I think that's pretty much enough. I think I got enough footage for y'all, right? I think we did. Let's go see how Bosco's doing, and then let's wrap it up. All right, so I am waiting in line. I'm helping Bosco because he's doing a live stream right now. Bosco came up on a couple things. Now that I think about it, I found both of these things for this fool, man. Damn, dude, I'm gonna have to charge him. But yeah, we are standing in line. That was it, man. It's weird because some Nike outlets have 30% off this weekend off the back wall. Some have 20% off the back wall. Some have 40% off clearance, like clothing and stuff like that. Some have 30%. I don't know. It's hella random this weekend. You know, we did go to a few other spots. You guys are gonna see that. Oh, I do apologize for the shaky camera. Like my settings were all jacked up on my camera, so yeah, it just wasn't the best footage. It will get better later this week. I did shoot a few with these messed up settings. I do apologize, but yeah, I hope you guys are out this weekend, man. This weekend there's a ton of sales. You know, I think a lot of stores are behind this year compared to the last couple years because sales have been amazing, and this year it's been a little bit down, especially the last month and two. So I think we are seeing a lot more sales. We saw that sale at Chic that we have never seen before. With all that clothing on sale, buy one get one free, including jerseys, Mitchell Ness jerseys. We haven't really seen stuff like that. I heard a bunch of y'all were out there, man. I was hoping y'all put it in the comment section, but man, most of y'all fools didn't comment. But I did hear that, hey, there were a ton of people out there. Man, I came up on some stuff right after this visit. We went to a couple other shops and came up on tons and tons of good stuff. So make your rounds. If you have a few dollars to go spend, don't sit there and put everything on your credit card because you don't want to be in a ton of debt. But if you have a few extra dollars, might be worth going out because man, I was picking up hoodies, I was picking up all kinds of stuff. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, the footage will get better. There's a couple other videos that are kind of similar to this. I do apologize, but later this week they will get significantly better. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Make sure you help away. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell because y'all know I do drop tons and tons of videos. Got plenty coming. Even though I'm working, I worked all day today, I'm working all day tomorrow, I'm working freaking all next weekend, but we're going to figure out how to get you guys videos. Going to be out there, going to be out vlogging. My goal is to always get you guys videos. So got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Yeah.